art and music with Sunray. Hello everyone! Let's have fun with art and music using the alphabet! Yay! Today we are going to sing the hello song and the weather song, and I'm going to show this alphabet box and we will see what letter is hiding inside today. Then we are going to watch Sunray's vegetable cooking show. Ooh. Then we are going to make a volcano. Wow. Then sing the goodbye song. That's all we will do today. Is everybody excited? Me too. Okay, now let's sing the hello song first. Hello, hello everyone. Nice to see you, good to see you. Hello, hello everyone. Art and music with Sunray. Hello everyone. Now let's look at outside. How's the weather today? Sunny outside? Raining outside? Yeah! Yo! Weather, how's the weather? Weather, how's the weather? Sunny, rainy, cloudy, snowy. Sunny, rainy, cloudy, snowy. Weather, how's the weather? Weather, how's the weather? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it cloudy? Is it snowy? Weather, how's the weather? Weather, how's the weather? Yay! Ta-da! It's alphabet time! Now everybody ready to see the letter? Here you go! Yay! Okay, the letter coming. The. Oh, hello everyone. Hello. I am letter V. Hi V. Hi V. Okay, now what is V for? V is for. Oh, what is that? Volcano. Ooh, V is for volcano. Now, V is for, oh, what is that? Ooh, it's vinegar. It's a vinegar. Ooh, let me smell it. Here. Ooh, sour liquid vinegar. Good for cooking. And now, what is V? V is for flower. Vase. V is for vase. Vase hold flowers. Yeah, V is for vase. So now, what is V? V is for, what is that? Vest. Oh, V is for vest. Okay, let me try on. Vest. Ooh, look. Ta-da! The vest. Nice and warm. Okay, V is for vest. And now, what is V? V is for, oh, wow. What is that, Sunray? Here. Oh, V is for violin. Can you hear that? Violin? V is for violin. V is for, oh, wow, what is that? It's all the vegetable. V is for vegetable. Can you see the last vegetable? Yeah, I see that. Red pepper, yellow pepper, and broccoli, carrot, celery, and eggplant. Ooh, and more vegetables. They're good for you. everyone. Now let's watch Sunway's vegetable cooking show. Ooh, cooking. Yummy, yummy, yummy vegetable.
Carrot chop chop, carrot chop chop, celery chop, celery chop, broccoli chop chop, broccoli chop chop, potato chop, red pepper chop chop, red pepper chop chop, yellow pepper chop, eggplant chop chop, eggplant chop chop, mushroom chop, carrot chop chop, carrot chop chop, celery chop, broccoli chop chop, potato chop, red pepper chop chop, yellow pepper chop, eggplant chop chop, mushroom chop, heat the pan, add some oil, put them all together, stir, add some salt, mix them up, cook them for a while, now it's done,
Wow, vegetable is good for you. Everybody eat lots of vegetable. Okay, promise? Now everyone, what's this? Volcano. So let's make a volcano. So here, everybody have Play-Doh. Squish, squish, squeeze. Squish, squish, squeeze. Now, then put it on the paper plate like that. Make a volcano, like a mountain. Press, press, press. Yeah. Then use your finger. Then poke it in the middle of this volcano, the mountain. Zoom, 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 zoom. There, can you see the hole? Then you can make a little bit wider like that. Oh, it's like a pottery class. There, like that. And the hole inside. There. Then, when a volcano erupts, there's a lots of lava and ashes and hot gases coming from here. So let's make that. It's hot and gas. Okay, take the cup and there is a baking soda. You can pour a little bit in the cup, this much. And then you can pour into this hole, gentle. Then, ooh, pretty pretty. It's a lot. Okay, good. And then there's a cup. There's a vinegar, and you can pour a little bit. And this much. Then, we like to do like a hot gas. So that looks like a red. So I have a red paint. So if you have red food coloring, but I can use a paint instead because I don't have a food coloring. So here, the mix, make a red color vinegar. Red vinegar. Then stir. Like that, red. Then, before, so here, everybody have like a big oven pan. So here you can put it in, or you can do the outside too. There. Then ready? Everybody ready? See what's happened? Okay. Can you see everybody? Wow! Volcano! Okay, good job everyone. That's we all done. The volcano. Good job. Okay, now did you have fun today? Me too. Okay, now it's time to say goodbye. Oh, let's sing the goodbye song. Goodbye, goodbye. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye. See you later, alligator. Goodbye, everyone, and see you next Tuesday.